Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you Tecno phone accessibility setting, and today video title guys what is talkback and how to use on Tecno mobile. Friends, we want to use talkback. Friends, we want to enable talkback on your device. So how to enable it one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Open your Tecno phone setting friends. After on Tecno phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. Friends, click on special function. Friends, you want to use special function setting, game mode setting, smart panel, micro setting, video assistant setting. So friends, last option you will find accessibility. Friends, click here. High translate guys, accessibility menu settings, select to speak. Friends, you want to on select to speak, you can on from here. Switch access, friends, you want to on, you can on from here. Friends, click here talk back. Allow here, and guys talkback will on your Tecno mobile, and friends you can use talkback on your device. So friends, you can use with double tap, one tap friends you cannot back. Double tap here, double tap, double tap, and then two finger you can use talkback setting. As one finger friends you cannot scroll your screen. So friends, use your two finger and you can use it. So as a person who is blind guys, they use talkback with two finger, and guys you want to on your phone file. So friends, click here file. So double tap here, and friends you can use two finger with your file. You want to on guys any app, you want to close app, so you can close guys with two finger. One finger friends you cannot close. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting on Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to turn off talkback, use your two finger, and friends click on phone setting with one finger, double tap friends, continue Wi-Fi setting and scroll it. Special function friends, one tap here, double tap here, accessibility setting, double tap, talkback setting friends, one tap here, double tap here, use talkback setting as one tap, and friends continue to tap here, stop button, double tap by talkback will off, and friends we cannot use talkback on Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see we cannot use talkback, we can use our phone with one finger. And friends, you don't know how to use talkback, but is talkback, so friends you can read from here how to use talkback, how to turn off talkback. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.